In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new account code in Xero. To start off, let's head to the top bar in your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we need is labeled Accounting. Simply click on this tab, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Chart of Accounts. This is your gateway to managing all your financial records efficiently within Xero. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts, you'll notice a range of existing accounts. Right now, our focus is on creating a new one. So let's move forward by clicking on the Add Account button. This is typically located near the top or center of the page and is your starting point for adding new account details. When you click Add Account, a form will appear, prompting you to fill out various details about the new account you're creating. First, you'll need to select the account type. This could be an asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense, depending on the kind of account you wish to set up. Choosing the correct account type is crucial as it determines how transactions will be classified and reported in your financial statements. Next, describe your account by entering an account name. It's advisable to use a descriptive name that gives you a clear understanding of what the account represents at a glance. Following this, you'll need to specify the tax type, which relates to how this account will handle sales tax or VAT within your transactions. Be sure to select the option most applicable to your country's tax laws and the nature of transactions this account will encompass. Now, it's time to enter a code for the account. Account codes are unique identifiers that simplify record keeping and make it easier to reference your accounts. Type in a code, and here's a great feature of Xero. Once you've entered this code, the system will automatically check to see if it's available or if it's already in use by another account. This ensures that every account code remains unique, preventing any potential mix-up in your financial data. After you've completed entering all the necessary information and have an available account code, the next step is simple yet essential. Click Save. This action confirms the addition of the new account to your chart of accounts. And there you go. You've successfully added a new account code in Xero. With practice, this process becomes second nature, streamlining your accounting tasks and enhancing the accuracy of your financial tracking. Thanks for watching, and remember, maintaining an organized chart of accounts is a fundamental aspect of efficient financial management.